manje ngithi siyakhala manje akwazi ukufela uyiviki neviki sifela siyingane usuku nosuku kufa ingane kufa abantu ngamakwalakwala izinja eyibulala abantu abamnyama in a generation that will lead our nation in the future. We can never tolerate that nonsense. Never. Honestly. You can hate me, you can love me, but this is a truth. Iyona qiniso leli ziyakhala manje. Fusak. Njengamanje, straight to the point. We have a crisis. We are in a battlefield. We are in a war. There is a time zone ebekiwe ka 20 years la ukuthi wonke ama foreigners akhona in this country. Yokuthi wonke laba foreigners njengoba sezele nje kade helwa efuna ukuba home South Africa ocean ndimba lapha aba froja ama home affairs befuna ukuba home South Africa baze bagcina beyoba iuniversity le ekhojana ko Nigeria. Kune system ekhona yokuthi South Africa is the best country in the African continent. Lunggogodla. And ilona eli semhlane weAfrica 20 Africa yonke e3 BRICS. So into enzakala njengamanje ukuthi emveni kwaleso simo leso ama Somalia, ama Pakistan namanye abantu bakwamanye amazwe bazela ingane bathandana nodadewethu bayabaxhaphaza badayisela izingane zethu ama ships anama drugs babulala ingane zethu babulala imndeni yethu ngokudayisela ama sausage akhandwe ngenyama yenja namaphilisi adliwa izinja bese bedayisela ngisho ama coca ngama fake because the aim is to kill our generation so that in 20 years to come this country will be led by a foreign person that was born in South Africa. And our government is quiet and our government does not see that. Makhulunywa ke ngalento ethiwa ukuvukela umbuso. This is what we are talking about. Ukuvukela umbuso ke lokho ke manje. Lento ke yona akukho kunye ngaphandle kwalokho ukuvukela umbuso. Njengoba sekukhuluma mina khuluma ukugcina ngithi ningizimu Afrika yonkana ngithi bantu abamnyama ngithi ningizimu Afrika yonkana regardless of your political gear, your political groupings, but we must come together and say one word. Ayikhala manje. Ziyakhala manje. Ngithi ziyakhala manje akwazi ukufela uyiviki neviki sifela siyingane usuku nosuku kufa ingane kufa abantu ngamakwalakwala izinja eyibulala abantu abamnyama in a generation that will lead our nation in the future. We can never tolerate that nonsense. Never. Honestly. You can hate me, you can love me, but this is a truth. Iyona qiniso leli ziyakhala manje. Fusak. Ngithi mina kini. Ngihamba manje ngeSoweto. Ngifuna ukubuka lama Pakistani nalama Somalia anenolele ezifana nezami lezi mina ngifanele ukuba nesitolo kahle hle. Ngifuna ukwabuka labantu ababulala izingane zethu kangaka. Ngifuna ukuattenda leli qala elise Cape Town njengamanje. Lana amaSomalia akwazi ukupheka izinja ephekela abantu abamnyama. Uma lelizwe lizophendulwa kube yizwe lamanina, kube yizwe labantu abamnyama abazokwazi ukuthi sivume thina ukubulawa lelizwe libulawa abantu bokufika abazovukela umbuso wethu. Ngithi mina njengamanje ningizimu Afrika ngeke ngivume lokho. Nganikela ngamqobo mina, ngegazi lami uqobo mina. Kunoma ngavuba leyo nto angisoze mina ngungizwe oyimele ngungizwe neqiniso. Ngiyabona nje ukuthi ubaba umkhona ziyazama, ngiyabona nje ubaba uTuli lo ifra ukuyani Sharon Top le yeGNU la kwaZulu. behamba lapha uma nje kutholakale i-warehouse kutholakale ukudla okuexpire uqhamuka kwalemgodoyi eqhamuka ngaphandle kodwa manje kuyamasajwa. How do you massage crime? How do you massage criminals? Why you are not brutal enough to make sure that we trust you as our leaders? Why? Why are you wearing your own tie? Why? Hey, for second man, Zinja, nisafaka tie. Izolibona ufingane zethu, our generation. Why you are standing there, meticulous, as you are graduating next year? Why you are there as people, young people of South Africa who have just finished exams? You are wanting to go to the beach and swim, and after that you will be killed by the foreigners. Tech shop. Never. Never. Kuluma mina manje khuluma ukugcina. Ungizwe mina umlando womthuni. Niyangizwa? Hey! Zakhala manje. Dakiwe mina. I was denied all the commercial platforms, all the professional platforms to express the reality that is happening in this country. We are in a war. And this is a war. And this is a war began long time ago. This is a system that is created to destroy our own land because it's the best land in an African continent and it's the best land to rebuild an African continent. So now our leaders are very, very weak. Weak leaders. Makamana sekumthuni. Mfowethu, ungakithi. Jabezitha. I am appealing you an urgent meeting with you. Urgent meeting. Baba Masimul. Tell meeting urgent now as a national commissioner. Ukuthi ninigeze uhlu ukuthi ithini plan, and that plan must be proper, and that plan must be make sure akukho foreigner registered all la labo bantu leti uba nesiphaza is not a scarce skill. Where is the law in this country? If there are some people who are benefiting about these people being here with the legal spaza shops and with expired food, those people must come out. This is a moment now. Fusak is not a scarce skill. To own a spaza shop is not a scarce skill. Never. Ukandida is not a scarce skill. Sidinga odokotela no-engineer lathi labazo sikhandela umgwaqo nethizeni bakhanda iy'tetamu. Those are the scarce skills that we may not have. But in the 10 years of democracy, to own this spaza shop is a scarce skill. For them to be employed, that is right. Not to be in charge of us, never. Ziyakhala manje. Ababuyele bakubo. Beyofundiswa onipho. Kuma bebuye bezogcina imithetho. Belandele imithetho elelizwe laseNingizimu Afrika. Mabehlulwe yilokho seyiphosela.